In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Todoist layout. If you've been using Todoist for a while, you might already know how powerful it is for organizing your tasks and projects. But sometimes the default look and feel doesn't quite match how you like to work. Maybe you prefer a darker theme for late night sessions or a lighter, cleaner look during the day. Adjusting the layout and theme can make your workspace more comfortable and easier on your eyes, which can actually help you stay focused longer. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can quickly customize Todoist to match your preferences. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into your account. At the top of the screen, toward the left, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small picture, your initials, or a simple avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where you'll find all of your personal account options and app settings. When you click the icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel. This area controls how Todoist behaves and appears, so it's a good place to explore anytime you want to tweak your experience. Inside the settings panel, you'll see several categories or tabs. The one you're looking for is called Theme. Click on the Theme option. This is where you can change how Todoist looks, including its colors and overall style. Once you're in the theme section, you'll see different theme choices that Todoist offers. Depending on your version, this may include light themes, dark themes, and some colorful options. Take a moment to click through a few of them. Most of the time, Todoist will show you a preview right away, so you can see how the interface changes before you commit to it. Choose the theme that feels the most comfortable and visually pleasing for you. Think about when and where you usually work. If you often work at night or in low-light environments, a darker theme can reduce eye strain. If you're used to bright office lighting, a lighter theme might feel more natural and easier to read. After you've picked the theme you like, simply close the settings panel. Your new layout and theme will be applied immediately, and you can get right back to your task with a fresh, customized workspace.